Why don't skeletons eat Halloween candy? Because they haven't got the stomach for it. But we have. Welcome back to Dadskillz for this Halloween special. Today we're going to make some fabulous Halloween treats. The kids will enjoy making these too. So first of all, we're going to core and slice our pineapple. Now, I'd not seen one of these until a couple of weeks ago, and they are absolutely fantastic. Then we're going to core some apples. And setting number 3 on the mandolin there, we're going to slice them and place them in some water that's already got some lemon juice in it. I'm going to put them on the dehydrator. Pineapple going on the bottom layers because it's thicker and takes longer to dehydrate. They take about 12 hours. And then we're going to dry our apple slices off, put those on. We're going to start it up. We're going to come back to the dehydrator after about 2.5 to 3 hours. And we're going to keep checking on the apple after that. So now for the really messy bit. So now we're going to melt some chocolate. If you've never done this before, there are a couple of ways of doing it, but I'm doing it on the hob. You don't want the water in the bottom of the pan to touch the bottom of the glass bowl there. And then you should end up with something like that. Try not to get any water in with that chocolate because it will ruin it. It will start to go dry and crumbly. 3/4 dip the pineapple slices. We're going to dip maybe halfway the apple. Then we're going to put some Halloween hundreds and thousands on it. Now I put mine in the fridge to cool off for a while. And we're really going to enjoy tucking into those later. Well, that went really well. Especially him. Don't forget to leave your best, worst dad jokes about Halloween in the comments below. And I'll see you again. Goodbye.